Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a lion's mane tincture. So I'm going to do a tiny tincture. Shout out to Kelly that has her lion's mane. I'm going to do a tincture with the same size as what I had sent you with the lion's mane, so then you know. So we're going to just do a small tincture tonight. It's nighttime. So here's my lion's mane. I prefer to use dry lion's mane when I'm doing a tincture, because I can get a lot more in the bottle this way. If I put the wet lion's mane in that little tiny bottle, nothing. I'm not going to get much. So being dehydrated and then broken up in the buster, I'm going to get so much more lion's mane in there. So this is going to be loud for a second, guys. Okay, so my lion's mane's all grinded up now. I'm going to add it to my little jar. So I'll put some information at the bottom about lion's mane tincture, what it does. I won't bore you by talking. Sometimes I talk too much. So we'll just put the info in the bottom and we'll listen to this nice jazzy music. So that's a lot of lion's mane because it's dehydrated and ground up. That's a lot. I'm going to add my 100 proof alcohol. I use Blue Roof, which is 100 proof. The black label. There's a blue label, it's 90 proof. The black label is 100 proof. Either or are great. This is 20 times distilled and is made in Canada. Support our local people. I'm going to give it a little stir. So this is going to be a powerful tincture for the brain. And when you're using tinctures, they extract, usually tincture is the best extractor to extract the medicine out of whatever you're using. So you're only going to need little drops of this, like a dropper full a day, to build new brain cells. That's it, guys. So all you're going to do is cap it, label it, the time you made it. I love these little caps. They really seal nicely. And every day you're going to shake it. If you don't worry about it. Doesn't even matter. Probably just a wise tale. But I mean, when you think of it, the shaking is extracting like an oil pull. It's an alcohol pull. So that's all there is to that. And now I'm going to put this in a nice dark spot. If you had a dark bottle, you could do it in a dark bottle too, which would be fantastic. I have some dark bottles going. Like this here. I have some lion's mane. And that had a nice plastic cap, so I didn't use the parchment paper. But when I do tinctures with alcohol, I like to use parchment paper because I find the alcohol makes your top rust. So you're going to leave that in a dark spot, nice cool area, you know, just room temperature, for 3 to 8 weeks. And then you're going to strain it, and that's your tincture. That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. And you can have that, you know, a dropper full a day to increase your brain stimulation and just make you smarter.